What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to talk about critical points, interval of increase or interval of decrease, and also I'm going to talk about local minimum and local maximum. Here we have f prime x equals to x minus 1 times x plus 2 times x minus 3. That's f prime x, which is the first derivative of f of x. Critical points are those points that make f prime equals to 0. So x minus 1, this example, x plus 2 times x minus 3 equals to 0. When you solve it, it's going to be x minus 1 equals to 0, or x plus 2 equals to 0, or x minus 3 equals to 0. This one is going to make it x equals to 1. This one is going to make it x equals to negative 2. This one is going to be x equals to 3. So we have three critical points. Now we need to find out interval of increase or interval of decrease. What does that mean? Interval of increase is when f prime is positive. Interval of decrease is when f prime is negative. So it is increasing when the derivative is positive, first derivative. And when first derivative is negative, we have interval of decrease. So how do we figure out? We're going to have a table of values. X minus 1, x plus 2, x minus 3. And we have f prime x, which is the multiplication of all these three. And the roots is going to be negative 2, 1, and 3. We need to start from the smallest one to the largest one, because the whole interval is going to be negative infinity all the way to positive infinity. So we have negative 2, 1, and 3. So these three numbers going to divide the whole region into 4 different regions. Here, 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 and here. It means that from negative infinity to negative 2, negative 2 to 1, 1 to 3, and 3 to infinity. And in each region, the sign of this expression is not changing. So we're going to assume a number in each region. Negative 3 for here, 0 for here, 2 here, and 4 in here. It doesn't really matter which number you choose in each region. So negative 3 when you sub it here is going to be negative. Negative 3 when you sub it here is going to be negative 1. Negative 3 minus 3 is going to be negative. Here 0 minus 1 negative, 0 plus 2 positive, 0 minus 3 is negative. Here 2 minus 1 positive, 2 plus 2 positive, 2 minus 3 is negative. 4 minus 1 positive, 4 plus 2 is positive, 4 minus 3 is positive. So negative times negative times negative is negative, negative times positive is negative, times negative is going to be positive. Positive times negative is going to be negative, and when you have 3 positives, it's going to be positive. So whenever again we have negative f prime is decreasing, whenever it's positive we are dealing with interval of increase. Again, interval of decrease, interval of increase. Now as you see here, it is decreasing in this region, and then it's increasing, then it's decreasing, then it's increasing. It means that we are dealing with 1 local maximum and 2 local minimum. So we can say negative 2 and positive 3 are local min, and 1 is going to be local max. So we have 3 local minimum and maximum. So that's going to be the answer to the third part. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. And I will leave some related videos and playlists in the description in case you need extra practice questions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.